Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am an avid biker with a flat tire, so I'm not biking right now, but I'll show you guys what I have here. I have this bike phone mount and it will mount my phone on my bike. So I will show you all the pieces and parts and we'll put it on my bike and show you how it works. So put this on here. So we have the part that will connect up to my bike and we have the holder for the phone. So I'll show you how it works. We can unscrew this, I guess, here, and as I unscrew it, you see the little part gets big, and so it's gonna fit any size handlebars or anything like that. And I have a huge one here on this carbon fiber one, and I'm gonna guess that the little ball mount is where I'm gonna attach my little phone mount. So then I have this here, and this will go on here, and then I clip it on there and screw it on. Am I going the wrong way? Yes, because it's upside down. Okay, and then you have your phone here, and I probably didn't put a very good angle. Probably that's about the angle I would like. And then the phone will go in here, and you can cinch it up, I guess. Let's see, how do we do this here? I have to look at the instructions. Son of a gun. To make it wider and narrower. Let's see, how do we do this? Oh, here, we can screw this thing out here. Look at that. So this side screws out for my width of my phone, so I can stick the phone. I'm gonna put it upside down just so the screen doesn't go on. But you can see the phone will go in here. I gotta loosen it up a little more. This is an iPhone 15 Pro, and so you get it in there, so you get about the right size that you want. So let me see, I'll loosen it up a little bit more so it slides. See, it slides in and easy, and then you cinch it up with that, and now it's stuck in there for good. So how cool is that? So you can then, so now that it's set, I can just do that, take my phone out, put it back in, and clip it back into place. So I can go riding, I can tighten up all the different pieces and parts and do that, and I'm good to go. So super cool, very nice little device here. You can use this for a bike, you can put this on your Peloton or any other thing, or a motorcycle even too, and it'll work great. This is a nice solid one made out of aluminum and everything. It's better than just the some of those plastic ones like there. Like I had one before, this like strap one here, and that isn't gonna stay very good, especially when you're bouncing around a lot. This one here is gonna hold it very good. So thumbs up for sure.